Welcome to South Omaha Speed. Today we got a special treat for you. We're at my parents' working on the Galexie in the backyard. We got Big Tim over, Flathead Eric, and my old man. And Mom's got cinnamon rolls for us, so we're going to take you down there and show you what we got going on. What's up, buddy?
Oh, just hammering some dents out.
Hammering dents, baby. Eric's got that feel that we don't want to mess up that patina, baby. You know what I mean? We're get her out just enough where she still looks right. Whew. Look at that. Dang, buddy, dang. Looking right, looking right. Just told my mom this morning that we're going to drive this thing to Canada.
Canada?
Yo, we're going to Canada to see my buddy Daryl in this thing. I says, me and the old man says, you coming along, Ma? She says, maybe. I says, we need you to get back in the country. Me and my dad probably won't make it back in, but with her, we probably would. You know what I mean?
Right.
Oh, yeah. The old 427 handle looking a little warm, but Tim has got the 4-door handle looking good. We're going to swap that out. One's all pitted. This one's all with real nice chromed. We're going to get that on there. A little break for cinnamon rolls here. This one I didn't get before he started, but it was really bad. Well, you got it really looking good already, dude. Good job. I'd have that all screwed up.
Just patience.
Whew, man, she's looking good, isn't she?
Getting there.
Dang.
Really wish I could take a file to it, but
A file?
yeah, but just to show me all the little tiny
Oh yeah.
inconsistencies.
Man, it's a lot better.
At least getting the main structure.
Yeah. It don't have to be perfect either, obviously. I mean, yeah, that's great, dude. If I could do that, I might quit my day job. That's amazing.
I'll get a couple more than that. Pretty happy with it through there, though. That's smooth. Now, when I'm all done roughing everything in, then I switch back to a point, my pointed bullseye, and then I can go and
Fine tune it.
fine tune, yeah, all those little tiny
Yep.
creases and stuff.
She's looking good, buddy. Thank you. How you feeling about that one, buddy?
Pretty good.
Oh man.
Pretty good. The light line looks good, and that's the
She looks pretty good, don't she?
that's the main point.
Oof. Man, come on now, come on. 3.0 gear, 3.2 setup on that 2-barrel. Now she's gonna be smooth for the fuel mileage. That 427 just sipping.
That's right.
You're like a little teacup. You mean just pinky out,
Pinky out.
pinky out, baby. Getting that mileage, you know. Dang, looking good.
Bouncing off my kneecap is like making my knee like like in the doctor's office, you know?
What, a piece of wood there or something?
No, that's fine. It's just funny. Just like right in the right spot.
Yeah.
Now 14 to 7.
Copy
7
that.
minutes left in the first half. We're playing with him. You got this, kid.
We're doing her, you know what I mean?
Tax working.
What else are you gonna fix while they're here, Dad?
I'm thinking, but my mind's a whirling.
Start working on that T-bird project, they'll never leave.
I got some toilet paper, but that's a different deal.
Jeez, Eric, you got looking good, buddy.
Thanks for trying.
Boy, it looks good, doesn't it? This piece right here is amazing.
So the cap wire, Eric,
Yeah.
was the old ballast resistor one.
So we got Tim over here. He's doing the business on this trim, doing a great job. Just polished the door handle for me. He polishes like 3 pieces of big long trim. Eric will take out 20 dents by the time it takes me to put one door handle on. So they're kind of looking at me like, what is this guy doing? True office guy. Tim, what do you got going over here, buddy? What's going on?
Just going over the trim here with some triple lot stainless and steel wool with some Brasso.
Nice. You like the Brasso? I know you probably. It's what they had at Ace Hardware. So my dad used to do it when I was a little boy.
Yeah, the Brasso, it works okay. I prefer the Eagle one with the quadruple lot stainless.
My man, right there.
This does the trick.
I like that Mother's wheel mag polish too on a lot of stuff. Yeah. I did a BMX frame one time for Eric Johnson. It was a mongoose frame and nickel frame that was kind of rusty, and I used that stainless. It was probably triple lot stainless wool with that Mother's. Boy, it worked good. Well, thank you for explaining that. Anybody at Long Beach you want to say hi to?
Hi, Mom. Hey, Dad.
It's awesome. Yeah, Tim's parents are advocates and watchers of the show, so we appreciate that for the channel. We got that little cinnamon roll. We got Tim polishing. We got Eric over there behind the door. Oh yeah, right there. That's a good shot right there. Oh, Daddy gonna get in there now. Oh, turn record. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look out. Ready?
Yep.
Go more?
Yeah, I moved down a little bit.
Okay.
How's that?
Gosh, it looks pretty good. It feels real good.
Sounds good.
Yeah. You can tell, can't you, when it just got that hit.
Oh yeah.
That ring.
Yep, exactly.
Like on a railroad spikes, baby.
That's right.
John Henry.
John Henry, son.
Make that cold steel ring, son.
Eric, yeah. Pass me that so you don't step on me again.
Basket.
When you guys get ready to eat, Mom's got that chili ready to go whenever you guys are ready. That dang cinnamon roll, though, kind of,
I know.
you know what I mean, kind of put the hurting on me, you know?
Every time I come over here, I get stuck with brown.
I tell you, Mom, she knows what's up.
She does.
She knows you guys ain't coming over here to see me, that's for sure. That good food, you know?
So this is also a dangerous area. Just don't hit it too hard.
Right.
But let's see if I can.
Right there.
I'm gonna slowly move up.
Okay. I'm with you.
Okay. Does that look? Do I need to go down or keep going up?
Up a little bit more.
Okay.
Up a little bit more.
Okay.
That's where the crease started, right there, you mean?
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
We're like a team.
That's right. See, okay, I can probably get, if I can get lucky and get this right spot. Try to get that right under there.
Okay. Here in the old archives, the old family archives down here. Yeah, he broke one, lost one probably in a storm or something. You need one of those? I'll try to give you one. Yeah. Make a really cool shade thing where you can drink beer, he says. Got some bird shit on her, though.
Pretty solid, huh? Oh, that was nice there with that tarp rash.
Oh, yeah, right? Oof, shine it up a little bit. Shiny. What do you think, boss?
One little tiny low spot up there, but
Not too bad, huh?
no,
You carried up?
really nice. Yeah.
All right. I'll just leave the camera down here and come back and grab it.
Yeah, a little ding in the trim, but not the body itself.
Right.